A great resource for free and easy to use graphics are graphic fonts. There are many sources available. One of my favorites is dafont.com. And over on the right-hand side of their main menu, you'll see dingbats, and these are lists of categories for graphic fonts. Graphic fonts are font packs that consist of images, not actual letters. And I'm looking in the nature category. And if I scroll down, I've decided that I want to use Koloski flowers. All I need to do is click the download icon, and that brings up the prompt for save. I'll select save and OK, and open my downloads folder. I'll need to remove the font from the zipped file, so I'll double-click that folder, the zipped folder, select the font, and then remove the font, and I'll just replace that back in my downloads folder. It's easy to install a font by right-clicking on it and select Install. This works for all versions of Windows, Vista, and up. If you're in Windows XP, you'll want to go to your C drive and open up your Windows folder, open up your Fonts folder. To install the font, just select it, drag it, and drop it into the Fonts folder. The Fonts folder is a great way to see all the different graphic fonts you may have downloaded, and it has the option to open the character map. You can use your Start menu and type character map, or in the font folder you can select Find a Character, and this will open up your character map. You'll want to search for the font that you downloaded, Koloski Flowers, and this will show you all of the different graphics that are available in this particular graphic font. Once you have one that you'd like to use, select it and you can copy it. This will place a copy of this graphic on your clipboard once you open the Koloski Flowers text from the drop-down text menu in the program. You can also just type a capital letter R or whatever letter is designated as you select that different graphic. I'm going to open up the software and let's select New. Select a color for the background. Next. New graphic to get a new blank canvas. Select the text icon and click in an empty area of your workspace. Use the drop-down menu for font name to locate your font from the drop-down menu, and edit and paste to get your graphic. Alternatively, you could type the letter. If you've got the correct font active, just type the letter and your graphic will appear. Use the rectangle selection icon to resize your graphic and pick from the lower palette to add a color, fill, and outline so that you can use the fill and outline in object properties. Your design is now ready to send to a cutter, file, export, and crystals to cutter, and your design would cut from any material that you would like. If you would like to create an applique, select a running stitch. If you would like to add crystals, you can do that as well. And you also have all of your options for fill as well. Your applique, crystal fill, you can select the different fill types, contour, and it's very easy to create quick and easy projects using graphic fonts. We also have the alternative in the Tools drop-down menu under Insert Symbol. This gives you the option to use many of the different fonts that you may have downloaded, and you'll find on everyone's computer you have the option for wingdings and webdings, and you would just select that particular graphic, select Insert, click and drag to bring that graphic into the workspace and close. This gives you an option to use the graphics that are included in the symbols and those that you would need to use with the character map.